Hi, and welcome back to our Keto Kitchen. I'm Megan, and today I'm going to show you how to make some keto-friendly tortillas. I got this recipe from nomnom.com, and I put the recipe in the description below. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I am doubling this recipe, so I have 2 cups of almond flour in this bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. So 6 tablespoons of coconut flour. Next, we're going to add 4 teaspoons of xanthan gum. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix this up. Next, we're going to add 4 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. This is what it looks like. It comes in a bottle like this. I'm going to mix that up. Okay, next we're going to add 2 eggs. And we'll just beat the eggs up a little bit, and then we'll add it to the mixture. And then we're going to add 6 teaspoons of water. Now that the dough is all mixed up, I'm just kneading it for a few minutes, and then we're going to let this sit for 10 minutes. Okay, so I got our dough mixed up, and I separated it into 16 equal sized balls and rolled them up. Now I'm going to roll them out into tortillas on parchment paper. They tend to get a little bit sticky, so it's best to use 1 piece of parchment paper on the counter and then 1 on top. And we're just going to roll these out into tortillas. So I found that it's easier to just do a small little bit at a time instead of rolling the whole tortilla out at a time. You just want to do a little bit at a time to keep it round. You have your tortilla all rolled out. We're just going to put it on a hot griddle, and we're just going to let it cook for about 2 or 3 minutes. You'll start to see it bubble a little bit, and it'll be time to flip. Okay, so I flipped it on both sides a couple times. As you can see, it's starting to brown a little bit, and it is fully cooked. They're about the same size as street taco tortillas, so just keep that in mind. If you want bigger tortillas, you can double the serving size and just double your macros, and you can have a bigger size tortilla, but these are about the size that they come out, about the size of your hand. So, and that concludes our video.